Ferguson. It's all square and lacking penetration at the moment now. Reina. Run into Ferguson with a great chance, and he's done it! The Rangers captain scores his first Old Firm goal. A beautiful run forward there, and Rangers are in the lead. In there, that's in, yes! Rangers have taken the lead again. Flow! That's very powerful, it's in! Ronald De Boer! Again, a very hard one, that's in again! Amaruso makes it 4-1. The Rangers players utterly jubilant, and that will do it. It's squared down there to De Boer. That's it! Number 5 by Michael Moles as Rangers wreak revenge.
They're about to get down to business, big business, and part of the fascination of these compelling clashes. Ferguson. Oh, and Miobi's header might just give Lovenkrantz a chance. He has taken it! Peter Lovenkrantz, what a response from Rangers. He always scores against Celtic.
That's a remarkable record this young lad has, Ian.
He can feel the tension at this moment around Hampden Park. It's Barry Ferguson! Oh, yes! The captain shows the way with a fabulous free kick. Rangers were never going to give it up easily. Amaruso. Here now is Neil McCann. Is there going to be a twist in the tail? Lovenkrantz! Yes, there is! Peter Lovenkrantz! It had to be him! He has surely won the Scottish Cup for Rangers! Lovenkrantz, a man on a mission to win that cup, and an enthralling end to a captivating cup final.
Well, he's got himself in there all afternoon, and he's been up there on his own at times, playing a bit wider, but once again, a terrific ball in by Neil McCann. And Lovenkrantz finds that little niche, terrific delivery by McCann, and he wasn't going to miss from that range. And given the second half performance from Rangers, you'd have to say it's no more than they deserve. They've dominated this second half, they've made the play, they've backed Celtic up. You've got to say the better team are in front at the moment.
There's a little touch through. Caniggia was going up for that. And that's in just then. Lovenkrantz has opened the scoring for Rangers. Life is never dull. Avalanche. There's Contamin. Oh, what a goal! A magnificent goal. Ben Contamin, of all people, the man who has been criticised, not to say ridiculed so often.
Who takes charge of his third domestic final. Celtic have won the previous two.
So particularly Caniggia, Valharan seems to have the better of him. He's been scribbling away frantically his notepad, making occasional glances to his substitutes even at this early stage.
Oh, chance here for Lovenkrantz in the box. Saved by the keeper. Moles couldn't make it. Caniggia can! Midway through the first half of the CIS Insurance Cup final. And Rangers take the lead. Claudio Caniggia scores in the final for a second season running.
That's what it's about. Every foul is greeted with a chorus of dissent from one team and praise from the other. So you've got to be very careful.
Moles, Lovenkrantz in, chance here for Rangers. He's done it again against Celtic. Rangers 2, Celtic 0. Rangers are in no hurry. Balde. Rob Douglas away. Alec McLeish and Rangers have beaten Celtic. Lovenkrantz gets his customary goal against Celtic. Rangers 2, Celtic won the CIS Insurance Cup. Goes to Ibrox.
Picked up by Lennon. Lennon will then leave it for McNamara. Alan Thompson's given it away. Here comes Sean Avalanche. On to Nachanova. Avalanche's made the run. Comes back to him. Leaves it back. Namucci. Good save. Prusho! Lovely work by Rangers. The Rangers rampaging forward. Nobody's coming to Rickson. They've got a choice of left or right. It should come to Sean Avalanche. Controls Avalanche! The perfect counter-attack puts Rangers ahead in the League Cup quarter-final. They move the ball from back to front. Fernando Rickson on the edge of his box, and substitute Sean Avalanche shoots Rangers into the lead.
Quite incredible counter-attack here. Great run from Noble, you can see here, creates a run across him to leave a space for Avalanche. Great, that's a magnificent run and a great finish from the left-hand corner there.
Well, there it was Rickson. Lennon sat off him, waited for him to come, that allowed him the chance. Celtic drifted inside, and that's the perfect finish. And they are happy, they're the scoreline. Rangers 2, Celtic 1.
Nacho Novo has never missed a penalty in his career, and Magnus Hedman has saved the only one he's had to face this season. That was last week against Inverness Cali Thistle when Barry Wilson missed. Here's Novo. 1-0 to Rangers.
Super penalty. Redmond went the right way, guessed the right way. Nacho Nova, that man, 9 goals in 9 games now, continuing that extraordinary run. Plenty of pace on it.
There it goes, exactly there. It's a header by Pusho. 2-0 to Rangers.
What a great header that was, a fantastic ball.
Shows some very good control plus the heading man. This is Ferguson. Hutton supporting Ralph from right back. Now they find room for a cross. Takes the help off it by Ferguson. Varga makes the call to Lennon. Rickson back to Vignal. It's a great effort by Vignal. It's gone through Ralph Douglas, and Rangers have the lead.
Yeah, that's what
Ferguson wants the ball kept by Rangers. Through the middle it goes, therefore Novo. A slip there by Lawson. It's goal number 2, and it'll stand all right. Rangers have scored again.
That all stemmed from the hard work. Barry Ferguson, Fernando Rickson in the middle of the midfield area, and Celtic just fast asleep. 3 marking 1 at the back there, and that man, Nacho Novo, takes the opportunity. 3 players, ball watching, but what a great finish that is.
Deflected it in.
Varga wins it. It's Cora. McDonald.
The goal scored for Motherwell! Has he snatched the lead from Celtic?
Well, where on earth?
Incredible! Look at the scenes of football.
Where on earth did that come from?
Left flick on from Sutton. It's launched away by Corey, and only chance here for McDonald. He's on his own. Griffin's in the middle. Wants to cut back. Could be a second. Here's McDonald again. He scored again. 2-1 to Motherwell.
Unbelievable scenes. Terry Butcher absolutely delighted.
Well, Rangers have scrapped throughout the season to keep in touch. This will be remembered as one that Celtic let slip, not once but twice. The referee looks at his watch there. McLeish is signalling here. Motherwell scored again, McDonald again. It's Motherwell 2, Celtic 1. It's incredible. It's unbelievable. Look at the celebrations there. What a turnaround here this afternoon. You could never have imagined this. Rangers were happy just to keep possession, hoping for an equaliser. They haven't got 1 miracle, they've got 2, and it looks as if Rangers are about to win a most unlikely championship, and it's all over, and Alec McLeish is swamped by his backroom staff. Fans are going mad here. The stewards will do well to keep order. Well, the faces tell it all. They cannot believe it. Rangers are champions of Scotland for the 51st